Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through an easy process on how to add custom tokens on your Trust wallet. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add a custom token on your Trust Wallet account, open up your Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. You can also do this with a desktop. Once you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, tap on the toggle icon at the top right-hand corner from the wallet page of Trust Wallet. Search for the token that you'd like to add in the search box. If you don't find it there, then simply scroll through the tokens that has been displayed on the screen. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a button that says Add Custom Token. Give it a tap, and you'll need to type in the contract address of the particular token that you'd like to search for. Now on the next page, select the correct network from the top. In this video, I'm going to choose the Smart Chain option over here in the supported network. Now, when it says contract address, you can simply tap on the QR code button at the right corner and easily scan to easily get all the token details. Tap on OK in order to allow access to your camera. Use your QR code scanner to easily get the token details, or you can simply tap on the contract address field and type in the contract address from a particular token that you'd like to add. Once you paste it in or type it in, the other information will be typed in automatically. Finally, tap on Save in the upper right-hand corner in order to add a custom token. If you find your custom token in the search box, simply toggle on the button right next to the token that you'd like to enable or add. Tap on Done after you are done at the top right-hand corner. Now, soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a custom token on Trust Wallet. The token now will be listed inside your Tokens tab right in the home page. That is how you can add a custom token on Trust Wallet, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.